Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to do another video about how to clean your mask, and we'll use this to steam the mask today. Let's get started. I'm going to put the top back on. Let's go. So right now we're going to steam it. Steam the outside first and then we'll steam the inside. So we just finished with the outside. Now we're going to do the inside. So now we've done the inside and the outside. So now you're finished cleaning your mask, just hang it up to dry. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, if you can leave it a like. And if you're enjoying these videos, please subscribe. If you have any comments about what you're doing to clean your mask, go ahead and leave it in the comments below. I always read them and always reply. Be smart, be safe, be kind. See you in the next one.